Making sense of rounding decimals. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of numbers, specifically into decimals. But we're not just going to talk about any decimals, we're going to discuss how to round decimals to the nearest hundredth. So, buckle up, because this will be an exciting journey into the language of math. Let's first revisit what a decimal is. A decimal is a number that represents a part of a whole. It's like having a piece of a cake. The cake is the whole, and a decimal is the piece you get to enjoy. When we talk about rounding to the nearest hundredth, we are dealing with the second number after the decimal point. Now that we know what a decimal is, let's understand rounding. Rounding is a process used to simplify a number to a specific place. It helps us to communicate numbers more easily, especially when the exact value isn't needed. Imagine you've run a race and your time was 12.3456 seconds. That's a bit hard to remember and share, right? If we round this to the nearest hundredth, it becomes 12.35 seconds, much easier to remember. Here is the step-by-step process of rounding decimals to the nearest hundredth. 1. Identify the hundredths place. For the decimal 0.1234, the number 2 is in the hundredths place. 2. Check the digit to the right. If the number in the thousandths place, third digit after the decimal point, is 5 or greater, round up. If it's less than 5, leave the hundredths digit as it is. 3. Perform the rounding. If the number is 5 or more, add 1 to the hundredths place. If it's less than 5, the hundredths place stays the same. Let's try this with an example. 0.1234. 1. The hundredths place is 2. 2. The next digit is 3, which is less than 5. 3. So, we leave the 2 as it is. Our rounded number is 0.12. Well, there you have it, folks. Rounding decimals to the nearest hundredth isn't as daunting as it seems. It's all about understanding the position of the numbers and following the rules of rounding. Remember to keep practicing this skill as it's fundamental in day-to-day life and can make dealing with numbers significantly easier. We hope you found this video helpful. Tune in next time as we continue exploring the fascinating world of numbers in English. Until then, keep learning.